Hello kids, how are you? A very good morning to all of you. So kids, I welcome you to a new maths session. Okay, we were doing chapter 5, Roman numerals. So kids, come on, go and get your maths observation book. Everyone, you have your maths observation book? Okay. Come on kids, open page number 42. Okay. We will start solving from sum number 8. What it is? Saurabh made 15 runs in a cricket match. Write the runs scored by him in Roman numerals. That means Saurabh has scored 15 runs in a match. Now you have to write number 15 in Roman numeral. So how are you going to write 15? It is 10 plus 5. 10 and 5. So this is how you write Roman numeral 15. So this you are going to write in the block. Okay kids. Now we move on to sum number 9. Vikas is 9 years old. Write his age in Roman numerals. What it says? Vikas is 9 years old and you have to write his age in Roman numerals. So what is his age? His age is 9. So how do you write kids 9 in Roman numeral? It is 10 minus 1. That is, yes, this is the way you are going to write 9. Okay. So this you have to write in the box provided over here. Okay kids. Now this is a fun activity. You can do solving at your home also. If you have matchsticks, you can do this sum. Okay, what it is? Correct this Roman numeral statement by removing only one stick. There is a statement. It says 6 plus 2 is equal to 4. But you just have to remove one stick to get 4. So what are you going to remove? Here you can see that there is addition sign. But if I remove one stick from here, if I remove this stick from here, so what it's going to be? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. I got the correct statement? Yes, just by removing this one stick. Okay. So it's a fun activity. You can do this at home using matchsticks also. Okay kids. Now we will do few problem sums. Okay kids. Now we move on to sum number 11. Read what it is. Ram bought 8 books and Sheila bought 6 books from a shop. Write the total number of books purchased by them in Roman numerals. So how are you going to solve? Number of books Ram bought is equal to 8 and number of books Sheila bought is equal to 6. Total number of books purchased equal to 8 plus 6, that is equal to 14. If you add 8 and 6, what are you going to get kids? Jab we are going to add 8 and 6, we will get 14. Yes. Now you have to write 14 in numeral. So what's the rule? 14 is equal to 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is equal to 10 and 4. So total 14 books. This is the way kid you are going to solve. Now sum number 12. Sahil is 14 years old now. What will be his age after 7 years? What the question is asking? That right now age of Sahil is 14. What is his age going to be after 7 years? For example, if I will ask you, what is your age right now? And after 7 years, yeah, 7 years बाद. After का मतलब बाद में. After 7 years, what is your age going to be? So आप कैसे करोगे? Yes, आपकी जो current age है उसमें आप 7 plus करोगे. जो आपकी अभी एज है ना, in that you are going to add 7. So you will come to know what is your age going to be after 7 years. So age of Sahil is equal to 14 years and age after 7 years is equal to 14 plus 7. That is equal to 21 years. Because when we add 7 in 14, what we get, kids? 21. Very good. Now how are we going to write 21 in Roman numeral? 10 plus 10 plus 1. That is 10, 10, 1. This is 21. 21 years. Okay, kids. Now we move on to next problem. In a forest, there are 4 lions, 12 elephants and 8 crocodiles. Write the total number of animals in Roman number. So, number of lions is equal to 4, number of elephants is equal to 12 and number of crocodiles is equal to 8. Total number of animal is equal to 4 plus 12 plus 8. When you add these 3 numbers, kids, you get 24. Now how to write 24 in Roman? 10 plus 5 minus 1. See, 10, 10 and 4 animals. Total 24 animals. Kids, for solving problem, you can do the rough work in any rough copy. Okay. After you finish solving these problems, then you have to solve the MCQ. MCQ you have to solve. Okay. So kids, with this we complete chapter number 5, Roman numerals. If you have any queries, just let me know. Okay kids, this is enough for today. Now we will meet in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.